What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I want to start by saying Happy New Year's Eve. I'm looking forward to 2020. And just like we did last year, I'm gonna do a year in review where I give you my top 5 favorite videos in under 5 minutes. So here we go. The timer is starting now. So my favorite drink video recipe for this year would definitely have to be my Southern Moscow Mule. So this is where I was making a mocktail, and I just love sweet tea. So any opportunity for me to put sweet tea in a recipe, I'm all about that. So be sure to check that out if you're looking for something special to bring in the new year. All right, moving on to number 2, my favorite guest star for 2019 would have to be in Como Se Dice Part 2, where I had my friends and family all gathered around and we talked about fridge versus shelf. And if you don't know what that means, then you need to go back and watch that video. So let me know what you think about that. Number 3, my favorite sweet treat from this year was definitely the do-it-yourself cinnamon rolls. So that was during February, so the Valentine's inspired recipes with the pink icing, and I think I should make some of those real soon, and you should too. Number 4, my favorite vegan recipe, and as you can tell, my voice just went up in pitch because I'm really excited. My favorite vegan video of this year was my vegan ranch. When I tell y'all, this vegan ranch hits so hard, like every time that I don't have it, I'm just like, man, I really need to get a batch together. And everybody in the family loves it because it's popping. It's just that good. And if you don't believe me, you need to believe me. So make it yourself and try it out. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. But vegan ranch is probably one of my all-time favorite recipes, but definitely it makes the top 5 for 2019. And that brings us to 5. So my favorite non-recipe video of this year was definitely my vlog to China. Going to China was an amazing experience, which I said probably like a million times in that video, but it was so great to kind of let you guys into my little adventure in China. And I gotta give a shout out to my homegirl Christine because that trip wouldn't have been possible without her. So if you just are looking for some great things to watch as the new year's rolling in, you know, prior to your countdown tonight, go ahead and check out my favorite videos from 2019. But I also want to hear what your top 5 videos were, or your top whatever. So be sure to interact with me, and also let me know what you'd like to see in 2020. So that's a wrap. I think we made our time for under 5 minutes. And before you go, you already know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next year.